Wapo ng piloto. Haha, charot lang guys. So, ayan si Jessie sa loob. It's his turn na. So, pupunta kami Menford Airport ngayon kasi yes.
Oh my god,
Class picture daw sila guys. Tapos socialization.
Oh my god,
Yung
he's
isa.
cutting the grass.
Ready? Are you ready?
He's coming.
Yes, it's cutting the grass. It's so long. Oh, you're done. We can't get in the car.
Hurry.
Can't get in the car. Daddy, it takes so long. So, ang kulimlim ng ating panahon guys. Tingnan nyo nga naman oh. Parang uulan. Pero sana wag uulan. Kahit ganito lang. Basta wag lang uulan. Kumuha lang ako ng jacket kasi medyo malamig.
I forgot I need to get gas, but I got 51 miles.
So, andito na tayo. Ang daming sasakyan oh.
Butt cheek gets this.
Kasi may class picture din sila ngayon eh. Kaya ayan. Last time kasi si Jessie nakasama sa kanyang class
Is that a house
picture.
over there?
So,
Someone
hindi
live
natin
over there?
ma-miss to this time.
Someone just lives by the airport.
Doon sila. Take a picture with your friends.
Hey, can you read my snack?
Probably just have to replace the barrel.
So, yung plane guys, ayan. Tsaka ito. Tapos yung display nila doon. Ayan yung display nila. Oh, meron pa pala silang plane doon sa loob. Oh. Ayan. Yeah, so they got two more.
Like by default, they're made to be four-seaters. Different planes like this one, filled with kilos of cocaine and other things.
Are you gonna fix it? Want to do it again? Can you fix it for the pilot? Exactly what it looks like. You're a pilot, Jesse. Here, look at Miss Nut.
So, okay lang kahit nag-shower guys. Kasi hindi naman super lakas ng shower ng ulan. So, nag-picture-picture sila doon. Yung si Jessie.
Jesse,
Yung
what are you
isa.
doing, son? I've never missed that.
Yes. 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 Yep, I see you.
Big person. Person.
Whoa!
Big person.
Where are we gonna go?
Those other ones would have much wider barrels.
Parang lumakas na yung pag-shower ng ulan. Yung isa. Nandun sila. Oh. So lumakas na yung ulan. Dito na yung isa. Cover na cover yung mukha niya.
Your hair's getting all that cheap.
I know. Hey, what you doing? What are you eyeballing? Sir, what is that? So, nandito kami sa Menford Airport. Umalis na yung mga kasama namin. Tapos, may restaurant din sila kasi dito sa loob, guys. Kaya, ayan. Kain muna tayo.
All your teachers are over here.
Kinakausap niya yung teacher niya guys kasi nandun sila sa likod. Nandun sila sa likod, oh. Ayan.
He's telling us that he made a tree.
So, ayan yung order niya guys. French fries at cheeseburger. Ayan yung akin guys. Yung biscuits, yung gravy nila, ang dami. Grabe. Nandun yung isa. You want all my bacon?
You can eat bacon, that's fine.
Bacon.
Gonna go around and we'll get pissed off. So I'm like, alright.
So, tapos na kaming kumain guys. I know, it stopped raining already. So, uwi na tayo. Meron pa kaming tira kasi ang mura lang ng pagkain nila dito. Tapos, ang dami. Pang dalawa ang tao yung kanilang pagkain. So, uwi na tayo. Hindi sila nakapagpalipad ng plane kasi medyo pangit yung panahon ngayong araw. So maybe next time. You're soaking wet?